Hello guys. I'm gonna take my glasses off. The light is reflecting. But hi. Happy 2025. Oh my god. Even saying that feels a little strange. Welcome to the new year. I'm all ready. Not ready actually. I don't have any makeup on. People are honking. Traffic is trafficking. Hi, yes, I'm just at the signal. Okay. I'm late. Isn't my face looking puffy? I feel like I have lost all the progress I made last year. And I'm feeling really bad about it, to be honest. So, I am going to restart again. From December, it's just been really bad eating habits and sleeping very late. I have done so much socializing this month. Like compared to all of last year, the most socializing I've done is in December and January. I actually didn't start vlogging also because there was just so many like plans happening in Jan, meeting a lot of people, going out, eating, etc, etc. Getting rid of these Christmas nails that I got done. So I'm going for a manicure, pedicure and a facial. I have so many whiteheads on my face. I've just been noticing a lot. I forgot to put my pimple cream. I just want a fresh, start. I am back from my appointment. It almost looks like there's no difference on camera, but I feel like there was a lot of deep cleaning done. All my whiteheads and blackheads are removed. Unfortunately, didn't get my nails done. I only got a pedicure. They only had one person to do nails, and that person only had to remove my nail extensions, and she wasn't free, so I couldn't remove them, and that's why I couldn't get my manicure also. So that's one thing still left to do, but I'm going to go home and eat some lunch because I'm so hungry. I'm back in bed. I just had lunch and I'm almost in tears because I have the worst cramps right now, and this is a weird ritual on my channel now that I start my vlog on the second day of my period. I don't know what it is, but this has happened so many times. And earlier, I used to be on birth control, and I used to take birth control for my acne. So I was on it for quite a few years, I would say. And now I have stopped. I think I stopped in the end of 2023, but I mainly stopped having birth control because I felt like it was messing with my moods a lot. And even though it was helping my acne, like I would never get acne because of that tablet, and I would never get cramps, like period cramps also. I always had back acne also, acne, but even that I never got when I was on that tablet. And then when I went off that tablet, all my acne started coming back. But I decided to get it treated this time and not go back on the tablet. Since I've stopped the tablet, the cramps have just gotten really, really bad. I don't think they were this bad before the tablet. The first and the second day, I think, usually is difficult for everyone. But I think the cramps are much more like intense for me now. I still don't know what the connection is between me starting my vlogs on the second day of my period. I've done it so many times, but I feel like there is a boost of energy that I feel, and then it becomes puss. So now I'm in bed because I'm honestly, even last night I couldn't sleep because of the cramps, but now I am here in bed.
तो अब इसका प्लीट बनाना है। ये पानी एक्चुअली ये इधर होना चाहिए ना। ये तो मैं भूल गया। ये मुझे थोड़ा किसी को कराने के टाइम में मुझे कंफ्यूजन होती है। ठीक है, अभी तुमको समझा क्या करना है? तुम खुद समझ रही हो। ये है, इसको तुमने यहाँ से लिया और तुमको पूरा नहीं पड़ रहा है, मतलब 2 फोल्ड होने चाहिए। तो वही तो मैं बोल रही थी तुमको। मुझे बस निकालो एक बार, चलो वापस से। अच्छा तुमने पीछे से लिया था, मैं इसीलिए बार बार बोल रही थी। ये है, इसको बांध देने को। अब तुम्हारा जो है इस साड़ी का अंदर वाला पार्ट क्या है, अभी ऊपर ऊपर ही करेंगे, ठीक है? तो तुमको साड़ी बहुत सुंदर तरीके से तुम पहन लोगे। यहाँ से लेके सुनो, यहाँ से लेके सेंटर में ये भी तुमको चाहिए।
टेबल बंद कर ले और विंडो शेड्स खुले रखें। धन्यवाद। ऊपर लगे लाल ट्यूब में मुंह से हमें एक बत्ती लगी है जो बैटरी के पानी से inflate your life vest. Should it fail to inflate, blow into the
We've called for a lot of food. I was craving sushi today. So we're trying a new place. Rice, Thai curry, dipping sauce, sushi. Very excited. It's almost the end of Jan and I've just gotten a new haircut and hair color. You can't see actually in this light very clearly, but it looks really nice. I just got it done yesterday. January is cancelled. It's cancelled for me because January is not my month. Oh, suddenly bright ऐसे हो गया है ये. We were going to watch Shark Tank, but then I stopped it for the vlog. Why January is cancelled, you may ask? I need to give you a rundown of everything that's happened in Jan. मैं दिल्ली में बीमार पड़ी थी ना, मुझे बुखार जैसा आ रहा था और मेरे को बहुत बैक पेन, हिप पेन हो रहा था, है ना, ठंड के वजह से. मेरे नी में एंड पता नहीं क्या हो रहा था. हम लोग ने वो रोल ऑन लगाया था मुझे, मूव वाला. That is how January started, with a lot of like back pain and I think because of the cold also I started feeling a little. एक दो दिन मुझे बहुत ऐसे low feel हो रहा था. Then I came back home. मैं अपना soy sauce इसमें डाल रही हूँ. Mixing a little wasabi in the soy sauce. Addy has given very bad reviews of the avocado one. I don't know why it's yellow. I was expecting to get my period and I was waiting for it because I was PMSing a lot. But my period didn't come on time and the PMSing went on. Addy also experienced it. So sorry about that. PMS went on for very long. I got my period and then I vlogged also when I got my period and it was so painful. I couldn't do anything. And it's not something I experience every month. So this time it was very, very hard. उसके बाद मेरा गला खराब हो गया.
बचा लिया ना होने से.
हाँ. Betadine gargle. Throat infection अभी भी थोड़ा सा मुझे है, but I think the gargle has helped a lot. And
चाहिए मेरे को लाइफ में ना कि बीमार होने वाला उससे पहले ही मैं अपना ध्यान रख लूँ, क्योंकि मैं तो बीमार होने के बाद नहीं रख पाता हूँ. तो वो चीज़ मैं ट्राई करूँगा अगली बार जब मेरे को पता होगा खराब होने वाले तो ही मैं थोड़ा
पहले से ही हो जाएगा. I think मुझे बचपन में अच्छा लगता था बीमार होना. लाइक मेरे स्कूल में बोर्डिंग स्कूल में थोड़ी छुट्टी मिल जाती थी ना फ्रॉम स्कूल, तो मेरे को वैसे अच्छा लगता था कि बीमार पड़ गई. बट अब मुझे नहीं लगता. मिजरेबल फील होता है जब मैं ऐसे हाई फीवर हो या व्हाटएवर, एंड एवरी टाइम आई गेट अ थ्रोट इन्फेक्शन वो हाई फीवर में कन्वर्ट होता ही होता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस टाइम, अब हम कुछ दिनों में ट्रैवल करने वाले हैं. दैट्स व्हाई दिस टाइम आई वाज लाइक नो. मैंने बोला नो. देन we went to play pickleball. I didn't feel anything when we played pickleball. I don't know how I've hurt my leg also, but I have hurt my leg. And अब मुझे ऐसे movement करने में बहुत pain हो रहा है. But again, there is no swelling, there is nothing like visibly कुछ भी नहीं है. But I'm not understanding how I hurt it, when I hurt it. Yesterday I tried to put move on it. So I feel like health wise मेरा January में अच्छा नहीं चल रहा.
सुना 50-50 है.
Something's going on.
पिकलबॉल तो मेरे लिए भी पेनफुल रहा है थोड़ा.
Oh shit! Addy also fell. Oh my god! I have to tell you all. हम जब गए थे, मुझे सेम टाइम पे नहीं लगा है. मुझे अगली बार लगी, वो भी पता नहीं कब. But Addy को hardly 10 minutes हुए थे हमें जाके, and ये भागा एक कॉर्नर पे, and he slipped. Okay, and he fell. And when we reached closer to him, we saw कि there was a wet cement का square, and there was nothing to block it off, तो हमें पता भी नहीं था कि कुछ वहाँ पे बनाया हुआ है. When you went close to it also, it was so hard to tell that the cement is wet. Like बहुत ही कैमोफ्लेज हो रहा था वो फ्लोर के साथ. तो he fell, उसका पूरा नी छिल गया उस पे, and his racket was fully dipped in cement, and then we had to like get water, and हमने वहाँ पे भी पूछा if they have first aid, and they were like नहीं अभी नहीं है हमारे पास कुछ भी. But first 2 days काफी पेन हुआ था ना. फर्स्ट नाइट पे ही कितना पेन हो रहा था देखो, और कितना ब्लीड कर रहा था. I was very very far from Addy when all of this was happening. मतलब I was trying to be like only top level eye contact. मैं नीचे तो देख भी नहीं रही थी उसके पैर पे. I'm like I cannot.
मम्मी ने पट्टी करी है.
हाँ मेरी मम्मी ने किया है इसके लिए, because I was like तुझे करना चाहिए पट्टी बट मैं नहीं कर सकती तेरे लिए. So because I cannot see blood, I cannot say the word also. मतलब मुझे अभी बोल के भी कुछ हो रहा है. So all in all, January hasn't been very eventful for me, and that's why I thought vlog wise ऐसे कुछ exciting है नहीं दिखाने. But I'll still update all of you on what's happening. ये कैसे भूल सकती हूँ? हमारा majority January मच्छर मारने में गया है. ये तो हमारा हॉबी बन चुका है at this point. Before going to sleep also, I'll turn on all the lights, dust everything, and try to get them out and kill them. That's my mission. Because ये कोई normal मच्छर नहीं है guys. These are lab grown. सच में advanced level की hiding, sneakiness, ये सब normal मच्छर नहीं करते. वो इतने smart नहीं है. In the start of the month, my hands were covered in mosquito bites. I don't know if you can see, but I have a mosquito bite here right now. And I have a... When I was sleeping, मेरे आँख बंद थे और उन्होंने मुझे यहाँ आके काटा है. Unbelievable. I obviously went through the comments to see if there's any question. And there was a question, so I'm gonna answer the question now. And you can also answer it if you want to. So, the question is, what will be your main focus in 2025? वैसे मैंने मेन फोकस तो है, बट मैंने एक्चुअली एक वो भी सोचा था कि इफ आई डेडिकेट अ वर्ड फॉर द ईयर, वो होगा एक्शन. बिकॉज मैं बहुत सारी चीजें प्लान करती हूँ.
वो जो लूप है जिसमें तो फर्स्ट थे वो उससे निकलना है ना, लाइक एग्जीक्यूशन की तरफ यू वांट टू गो फॉरवर्ड एंड लाइक एग्जीक्यूट इट वैसा.
या आई थिंक
यू कैन डू इट, क्योंकि
विद सर्टेन थिंग्स आई aim for perfection, and in my eyes the thing is never perfect. Even my room actually is one of those things, like after a point even I forgot about it. I'm like ye kabhi, like it's not perfect in my eyes to show it to everyone, so I will not show it. Like that doesn't make sense, and I don't know how I got to this point also. And there are other things also that I have been planning, thinking, doing behind the scenes for the past year, 2 years. But again, I never act on it, thinking that I will either fail or it won't be successful, or it's not there yet. Like it's not perfect yet to be put out in the world. I've taken time to like think about it, and I feel like it's really holding me back. So that's why this year I want the term to be action, and hopefully you will see the stuff that has been, you know, in planning, and it will finally reach to you guys. So there might be things that you will see from me or Addy or us, I don't know, together also maybe.
It'll happen. No worries.
Yeah.
This year my only like top priority focus will be my own health. I don't know why, क्योंकि मैं ऐसी सोच रहा था बैठ के, and I think health मतलब ये नहीं कि workout पागलों की तरह, वो भी है, but
more healthier.
What I eat से लेके I want to, like I'm trying कि मैं थोड़ा smoke करना कम कर दूँ, and ये सब चीज़ें हैं थोड़ी थोड़ी. I want to eat healthy वैसा. Also skin care मैं regular करना चाहता हूँ. ये सब मेरी health, मतलब ये तो ये भी मेरे लिए है ना वैसा.
Like this is the first time he is trying to do skincare, and that also happened because he did it, and then when I met him, I was like, why do you look youthful today? Like क्या हुआ है आज? So he was like, आज I've done skincare, and I'm like, can you imagine? Like एक बार लगाने से अगर इतना difference होता है तो रोज करेगा तो क्या होगा? Sunscreen तो दूर की बात है,
ये फेस वॉश भी नहीं जानता था. आई डोंट नो हाउ बॉयज, आई थिंक तुम लोग का स्किन यूज टू हो जाता है. लाइक नाउ जब मैं मुंह धोती हूँ और मैं क्रीम नहीं लगाती, मुझे ऑलरेडी फील होता है कि मेरी स्किन ना ऐसे खिंच रही है, लाइक इतना ड्राई हो रहा है, बिकॉज मेरी स्किन यूज टू है अब मॉइस्चराइजर ऐसे लगाना. तेरी स्किन यूज टू थी कि सिर्फ पानी भी कर लो कुछ नहीं होता.
मतलब मेरे को बहुत ऐसा फील हुआ उस दिन भी कि जब मैंने लगाया, मैंने कर लिया ऐसे ही, तो फिर उसके बाद देन आई रियलाइज्ड कि भाई सच में बहुत फर्क
लॉन्गर रन में.
वैसा तो
ओवरऑल very excited for this year. It's just that January wasn't January. मैंने बाकी खाना खाया ही नहीं है, तो मैं वो खाने वाली हूँ. And I will see you next week maybe. We are leaving for a trip for my birthday. So see ya. Hope you enjoyed this time pass chat session. Bye.